Okay, so with question 6a, we're going to find the roots of this quadratic function. Okay, and we have a leading coefficient here of 4. Okay, and that makes things a little bit more complicated, because when we put these into brackets, I could have 4x with 1x, or it could be 2x times 2x, and we don't know yet which one it is. Okay. We do know that over here, factors of 20 will go in these spaces. Okay, and 20 itself has a few combinations when it comes to factors as well. What are the factors of 20?
10 and 2, 10 and 2, 1 and 2.
3. 4 with 5, and is that all of them?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, let's just, I'm going to make some room for myself actually. Should have done that. Alright. 1 with 20, 2 with 10, 4 with 5. Okay. Now, let's say I start with the 4x times 1x. Okay, now I've done this question, so I know this isn't going to work out, but that's okay. And let's say that if I have a 4x there, crab clause says it's going to be multiplying this term. And so whatever that factor is, it's going to be multiplied by 4. And the coefficient here is 1, so this term is going to be multiplied by 1. So in other words, whichever pair I choose, one of them is going to be quadrupled, the other one's going to be multiplied by 1. Okay? So if I chose, for example, the 1 with 20, and I put the 20 there and a 1 here, I have to realize, first of all, that the 1 is going to be quadrupled. So this is really 4 with 20. Okay. Now, does 4 plus 20 make 21? Does 20 take away 4 make 21? Neither. Okay. So that definitely didn't work. All right. What if I chose the 2 with a 10, and I put the 10 over here and the 2 there? The 2 is now going to be quadrupled, so that's actually 8 with 10. Does that make 21? No. What if I subtract them? No, I get 2, I don't get 21. Okay. What if I put, I use the 4 and the 5, and I put the 4 here and the 5 there? The 4 is going to be quadrupled, which means this is 16, and the 5 is times by 1. Does that make 21?
No.
Yes, it does. It does. Okay. So I'm going to leave the 4 there, the 5 there. The 21 is negative. Okay. If the 21 is negative, then the larger of these two factors gets the negative. Now, what's larger?
5.
5 or 16. This is 16. The 16 is the larger. Okay, you have to realize that's 16 and not a 4. So the 16 gets the 4, the negative. A negative times something makes a positive. A negative times a negative makes a positive. I want you to listen for the next one. I can't tell you. We're recording here. Good on you. Okay, so we have, that's now equal to this, so 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 514, and over here we have x is equal to 4. Okay? Everyone happy? Excellent.